You.
Okay, ma'am. Fill in the blanks. Moving air is called wind. Air is a mixture of some gases. Very fast moving air forms storms
Ma'am,
which
अंदर
cut through
answer.
trees and blow off the rooftops. The wind makes the windmill rotate. A filter rotates due to the wind. Air is present all around us. Mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders with them, while climbing high mountains. A weathercock shows the direction in which air is moving at that place. Burning can occur only in the presence of oxygen. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. During respiration, oxygen is consumed and carbon dioxide is produced. Oxygen and nitrogen constitute 99% of the air. Aquatic animals use the dissolved air in water for respiration. The component of air used by green plants to make their food is carbon dioxide. The layer of air around the earth is known as atmosphere. Ma'am, should I
Yes,
start the true and false?
yes.
Yes, ma'am. Moving air helps in separating sand and sawdust by winnowing. True. Air does not occupy any space. False. Wind blows
Excuse
very
me,
slowly
ma'am.
during storms. Excuse me, ma'am. False.
Just wait. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, sand and sawdust will not separate by winnowing.
Sand and just wait.
Sawdust.
Yes, sand and
They
sawdust will.
both are heavy only.
Sand now, sawdust is lighter. Sawdust is lighter.
Yes, ma'am.
They
Ma'am,
will blow
that's
along
fine.
with the wind, and sand will be deposited right at the
Okay,
base.
ma'am.
Okay, they
Yes,
can be
ma'am.
separated by
Yes.
winnowing. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
clear?
Ma'am, should I start again?
Yes, you can.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
Aradhna.
have.
हाँ
Ma'am,
बोलो.
I have done filling blanks. Sorry, match the column.
Okay. Yes. Yes, Ankita.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should I continue?
Hmm.
Ma'am, should I continue?
Yes, you can.
Yes, ma'am. Wind blows very slowly during storms. False. Nitrogen does not support burning. True. The burning of fuel produces smoke. True. Dirt particles are not present in the air. False. Air contains mostly nitrogen and oxygen. True. Plants and animals consume oxygen for respiration. True. The organisms that live in soil need carbon dioxide to respire. False. Windmills are used to produce electricity. True. Ma'am, just a second, I'll turn it. Yes, ma'am. Air helps in the dispersal of seeds. True. Air helps in the movement of sailing yachts and gliders, but plays no role in flight of birds and aeroplanes. False.
Okay. Next, match the column.
Yes, ma'am. Match the items of column 1 with the items of column 2. Weathercock, direction of airflow, mountaineers, oxygen cylinders, find air inside the nose, prevent dust particles, smoke, gases and fine dust particles, wind, sailing yacht.
Yes. Next, Ankita, E part.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, the E part I have not been able to find two of them. So, ma'am, I'll
I
just
have
give
found.
the ma'am, I'll just give the answer at the end.
Okay, the first one, Nancy. Nancy, first one. Nancy.
Ma'am, windmill. Ma'am, windmill.
Okay. Yes. Second one, Aradhna. Second one.
Ma'am, oxygen.
Very good. Third one, Ashmita. Agamjot. Yes, Agamjot.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Yes,
smoke.
Sreyash. Sreyash.
Ma'am, smoke.
Smoke. Very good. And the last one, yes, Ashmita.
Ma'am, dust.
It will be dust. Yes. So all of you have done, you have corrected. Those who haven't done yet, I think they will do or they have got the answer. We are just directly move on to the next question. What is air? Raise your hands only. Don't say ma'am. Yes, Agam.
And air is a moving wind.
No.
Excuse me, ma'am, may I?
Yes, Aradhna. Yes, Aradhna.
Air is a mixture of some gases.
Air is a
And
mixture of gases. Yes. And some other particles also. Okay, what is atmosphere? Raise your hands. Atmosphere. Ashmita.
Ma'am, an atmosphere is a layer of gas or layers of gases that envelop a planet.
It's only there in the yes. Okay, yes, Dipta.
It's
Any?
already there in the fill in the blanks. From the last one, there the layer of air around the Earth is known as an atmosphere.
Yes. Next one. What is the composition of air? Ankita.
Ma'am, me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should I mention the percentage also in
Yes.
this?
Yes. Yes. Also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 78% of the air is nitrogen, 21% is oxygen, and 0.4% is, ma'am, carbon dioxide and other gases.
Ma'am, 0.04.
0.04 is carbon dioxide and the rest is.
0.04 to 0.03. पहले 0.03 था अभी 0.04 मतलब it's increasing. Okay, the percentage is increasing in carbon dioxide. Okay. Okay. What is the next question? Let me see. Composition of air हो गया. What are the why are the long chimneys provided with factories? Why are that also we have read in the book? Long chimneys provided with the factories. Why? Raise your hands. Aradhna.
Ma'am, to to keep the dust particles and the what the pollutants of factory away from us.
Okay. Yes, Shreyash. What is your answer?
Ma'am, to keep the smoke and dusties and the other harmful gases away from us and away from the ground.
Yes, both of you are right. They are just blown away at a distance. Chimneys are very long. So these harmful gases are found in the or they are liberated in the outer at a height so that they are not directly reaching our nose. Okay. They are preventing us. Yes, Ashmita.
Long chimneys take the harmful smoke and gases produced in the factories high up in the air so as to reduce its harmful
So
effects on the.
direct contact, direct breathing, we are not inhaling all those gases. Okay, as they are released high up. Next one.
And we can also see in some places like there are chimneys that where the black like those smokes and dust particles are going
Yes, the coming out. Yes,
in the
Agam.
atmosphere and polluting the
Yes,
environment.
Agam.
Ma'am, I want to say that tomorrow as I'm going to my grandmother home, so I will at my back at my that mother grandmother's back that house. So there is a big factory which is having the big chimneys, and at in front of that also it's having I think 5 to 6 factories there.
Okay, okay. So you can easily observe those. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next
Daily I'm
one.
observing
In
that.
a number of musical instruments, air plays an important role. Can you name some such instruments that plays with the help of air?
I know one flute.
Flute, very good. Anything
Ma'am,
else?
ma'am, trumpet.
Ma'am,
Trumpet.
tuba.
Ankita?
Ma'am, the tuba also uses air. Ma'am, the tuba.
Yes. You know harmonium. Harmonium is also there blowing air inside and as a result the sounds are produced.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
yes,
have
ma'am.
one.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. You will
Ma'am,
be reading
tabla.
tabla also, that is vibration of the membrane, but along with that the air is also, but it is generally membrane.
Ma'am,
Okay.
the vibration of the membrane.
Yes. Okay. Next question. Which gas in the atmosphere is essential for respiration?
Ma'am,
Ayush Verma. Which gas is essential for respiration?
Ma'am, ma'am, oxygen.
Oxygen. Yes. Next, the name the sources which is refilling oxygen. Name the source which is refilling oxygen in the atmosphere. Aryan. Aryan. आर्यन का वीडियो कहाँ गया? आर्यन राजपूत.
ma'am is having the network issue since the morning.
Yes, Riyash.
Ma'am, the plants.
The plants. Yes. Now short answer type question. We cannot see. We cannot see air, but can feel its presence in different ways. Give some instances from our daily life to explain this fact. Yes, Dipta.
Ma'am, like when the wind
Good afternoon.
blows, ma'am, we can feel it.
When the wind blows, we can feel it. Yes. Like anything else? Any other thing, Ankita?
Ma'am, we can feel the wind and ma'am, we can also,
When we switch
ma'am,
on
what
the
else?
fan also, when we
of
switch on the fan, when we switch on the fan also, there also we are able to have the
Ma'am,
presence
and
of
we can see
wind in
the
it.
leaves of trees swaying.
Yes,
Ma'am,
we,
those
we
and
can
ma'am,
see.
the pages of our notebooks we
Yes, the pages of our notebook they flap out, and as a result, they're telling about the presence of wind. Yes, Agam.
Ma'am, we can feel air in when we are switching on the cooler. Also, we can
Yes,
feel air.
you can see your clothes are getting dry up due to wind. The blowing of they are also swaying in the wind. So, as many example you can. Next question: list
Ma'am,
five activities that are possible due to presence of air.
ma'am,
Activities these are possible due to air. What about Rohan, Ayush, Arpit,
can I tell them?
Akshara,
Ma'am,
Ankit, Shaksham, Anshika?
blind train.
Yes, Harshita. Harshita, bolo. Activities that are possible due to presence of air. Be fast.
ma'am breathing.
Yes, very good. Or yes, Dipta.
Ma'am, in presence of air, wind, ma'am, the windmills can produce electricity.
Okay. Yes, Agam. Any other point?
Ma'am, drying clothes.
Yes. Yes, drying clothes. Yes. So what we have done in the previous question, that will be all helpful because of air also. You can write. List four properties of air. Yesterday we have done about the properties. Ashmita, what are the properties of air? What are the different properties of air? Ayush Verma, what are the properties of air?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, air takes up space.
Air occupies space. Air occupies space. Okay. Any other
Ma'am,
property?
ma'am, ma'am, air has mass.
Very
Air
good. Air
is
has
affected.
mass. Or
Ma'am, air is affected by heart.
affected by
Ma'am, heart.
hot.
Ma'am, it's not hot, ma'am, it's heat.
Yes, it becomes
Yes, ma'am.
lighter when it is heated. Yes.
And
Yes, Agam. Yes, Agam.
ma'am, air is present everywhere, like water, soil, everywhere it is present.
So what it is affecting? What it's causing? That is asking. Properties, that is not properties. It occupies space.
Ma'am,
It
so
have
that
mass.
all the organisms can respire.
Okay. So that is due to the presence of the gases in it. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Next
air is
question.
a
हाँ बोलो.
compressed.
Hmm. Next, why does a lump of cotton wool shrink in water? Why does it shrink in water? What happens when a lump of wool shrinks in? Yes, Nancy.
Yes, ma'am. The lump of cotton wool shrink in water because the air inside the cotton lumps are replaced by water which make layers stick together.
So what happens? Cotton wool is full. That is very light, and in between the cotton thread, their air is there. So whenever it is put in water, that air is replaced by water. As water is heavy, and what happens? You can see the lump of cotton wool is getting shrink.
Can
Sink
I?
also and shrink. Sink मतलब डूब जाना. Shrink मतलब छोटा हो जाना. So both that happens when you can do this experiment. Yes, Ashmita.
Ma'am, when the lump of the cotton is immersed in the water, all of the air is replaced by the water. By water.
Yes. As a result, what happens? It
And the
shrinks.
cotton lump is become heavier.
The heavy and so as I told you, they sink and shrink. Sink matlab डूबना, SINK. Shrink matlab छोटा हो जाना. So both this happens. Shrink and sink. It is not given only shrink is given over here, but both this happens. How will you find dust particles are present in air? How you are going to find dust particles are present in air? No one else? Yes, Rayash?
Ma'am, by the sun rays or by the help of a torchlight.
Okay. Yes, Dipta?
Ma'am, like we can see this process, ma'am, like in our daily life, ma'am, like when the sun rays falls on our in the air when it just comes, ma'am, like then we can see those dust particles.
Yes. Ankita, same answer.
Yes, ma'am. One same answer.
So whenever you know during the sunrise, a slit of beam of light is coming, entering your house, entering the room, you are able to see the dust particles floating within that ray of light.
Yes, ma'am. In the morning, if we examine the beam of light entering our room, we can
Yes.
note tiny particles
How will you
flowing.
show that air dissolves in water? That you are going to heat the. Yes, Harshita.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, take some water in a glass or metal container like pan and heat it just before water begins to boil. And ma'am, bubbles at the inner surface of the pan. These bubbles come from the air dissolved in water. So, ma'am, that air is dissolved in water.
Okay. So these questions you are going to complete again. I am having one more period with you. Just after that coming period. Okay. Ankita has informed me some of the names. Those who haven't shown their copy, computer copy. What happened? मतलब मैम देखती हैं क्लास में. Nancy, Aradhana, Harshita, Dipta, Ankit, Ayush Verma, Ayush Pade and Rohan. What happened? Your copies are not complete. कौन सा copy
Ma'am,
पूछी थी?
that time my mic and my video was not like on. Well, like it was not switching on. Ma'am, that's why I can't just answer the question. I can't show that.
Okay. And what about Nancy?
But I have completed it.
What
My
about
camera is
Nancy?
not open, that's why.
Yes, Nancy.
Ma'am, my camera is not opening, that's why I cannot be able to show my copy.
Aradhana.
Ma'am, some of my work is not completed,
तो
that's
कंप्लीट
why I
करोगे
am
आज
not
मैम,
home.
कंप्लीट करके कल दिखाओगे मैम को, ठीक है? Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
अंकित,
ma'am.
अंकित.
Ma'am, but there is no period tomorrow.
नहीं आज नहीं, आप लोग नेक्स्ट पीरियड में जब होगा तब दिखा देना. आयुष पादे, what about your work? Ayush, Ankit, and Rohan. Rohan, what happened? Rohan is there? He was there, but she is not there now. Rohan is there. Yes, Rohan. So whatever name has came, if you know that you have completed, you will show it to your teacher. Otherwise, you will tell why you haven't shown. Okay? Am I clear?
Ma'am, I have completed it.
Okay. Okay
Yes,
then.
ma'am.
Again we are going to meet in the next period, but you should continue with the completion. इतने सारे क्वेश्चन हम आपको डिस्कस करवाए हैं, so you are now going to complete. Okay?